Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how you can change notification sound. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find sounds and vibration, and then you have to go for the notification sound. As you can see, we can change notification sound for the SIM first and for the SIM second. Let's change for the SIM first. Currently it's set up this baseline. It sounds like that. It's the default Samsung notification sound. We can change, for example, for Cosmic Radio. And after that, we can just go back. As you can see, it changed. It's very simple. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.